Good evening there, my name is Leo XIV and this is Trending Now. Senegal's National Assembly has elected Ousmane Sonko as Speaker just days after his dismissal as Prime Minister. The vote was boycotted by opposition lawmakers who questioned the legality of his return to Parliament. Sonko received overwhelming support from the ruling Pastef party, marking a major political shift as President Bassirou Diomaye Faye moves forward with the new government team. TeKnowledge is expanding its presence in Rwanda by introducing national and enterprise skilling academies, advanced cybersecurity services, and AI strategy to execution programs. Building on 5 years of Operation Kigali and a team of more than 800 professionals, the company says the expansion will help strengthen digital skills, support organization, and contribute to Rwanda's long-term digital transformation goals. Traders in Bukavu say Rwanda's border measures introduced to contain the Ebola outbreak are already disrupting the flow of goods and creating shortages. Residents who rely on cross-border trade and services say access to supplies and financial activities has become more difficult, while health authorities maintain the restrictions are necessary to limit the spread of the virus. Pope Leo XIV has called for stronger regulation of artificial intelligence, warning that technology must serve humanity rather than profit. He said AI should not contribute to exploitation, concentration of power, or a decision that undermine human dignity. The Pope also warned against using AI in lethal military decisions and called for stronger legal frameworks, independent oversight, and accountability from technology companies and political leaders as AI continues to reshape societies and economies. This is Trending Now, and I am Leo XIV. Follow us on all our EAMG TV platforms to stay updated and be part of our growing community.